Hey friends, today I'm sharing 6 of the design secrets through which you will be able to give your home a high-end feel but without breaking the bank. You know that feeling when you are in a room that just don't feel right but you can't quite put your finger on why it is not giving you that aha sort of vibe. It's not about expensive furniture or massive decor. It's the small hidden details that creates a truly stunning space. One key detail to get it right is proper contrast. This means just mixing things up in a way that they stand out, like pairing light and dark colors or smooth and rough textures. It instantly makes a room feel more interesting and lively. For example, a beige couch will look good with dark blue pillows. The dark color pops against the light couch, creating a nice contrast. You can also put a textured rug under a smooth modern table to help each piece stand out. When we use proper contrast, we make a room feel more lively and fun to look at. I had this nice beige sofa in my living room, but after switching to a more cultural theme with Turkish lamp, Syrian artwork and a Kashmiri rug, it started to look out of place with its modern design. You know, I had my aha moment with this arrangement when I spotted Sindhi style cushions at Khadi, and this small purchase made my sofa the star of the room. The next part of the equation is to use flow in a room with harmony and repetition. When we use same colors, shapes and patterns throughout our space, it ties everything together and make it feel more inviting, and our eyes naturally move from one area to the next. Like for instance, you can use soft blue as a main color and have a soft blue bedspread and then scatter hints of blues throughout the room. Maybe a throw pillow on a chair, a vase on the dresser, and a piece of artwork with blue accents. You know, by adding touches of the same color here and there, the room feels thoughtfully put together. You can do the same thing with materials as well. Like when you're choosing your furniture pieces, you can choose warm wood. You can use it for nightstands, picture frames, and a few decor pieces, which will give the space a warm, cohesive feel. And to create balance, make sure that no side of the room feels too heavy or too crowded. Everything should feel even and calm so the space flows nicely. You can use symmetry, like placing the lamp on each side of the bed or the couch to keep things balanced, or go for an asymmetrical look, like putting a big plant on one side of the bed with two smaller chairs on the other. No matter what style you choose, if done properly, it will help the room feel even and comfortable. Once you have balanced the space, then you can add personal touches, because it makes your home feel special and truly yours. No matter big or small, it's the connection you want to create. If you've seen my other videos, you know that I love taking pre-loved vases and decoration pieces and turn them into something that feels like me. I know you guys, it takes a bit of effort, but the result is always unique and one of a kind. Let me know if you'd like me to share more ideas like this. Paying attention to the flow and layout of a space is the key. It's about arranging your furniture so that everything fits and flows together. It allows people to move around easily. Don't keep buying furniture and decor pieces without thinking about your space. When we keep buying stuff, we feel pressured to fit it all in, which messes up, of course, the flow and makes the space less practical. When you are decorating a space, you need to think about where to place sofas, chairs, tables, and other items so that each room feels open and welcoming. It's the little details that makes a big difference. For example, in your living room, facing the sofa towards the main door makes it more welcoming for the guests, and placing a dining table near the kitchen makes family time easier, as you can serve meals right where you prepare them. And if you have open space, rugs can help define areas like a cozy sitting spot or a dining space. You guys, if you master flow and layout, your home will not only look nice but will also be practical for everyday life. And when it comes to lighting, it's the game changer. And especially living in cold, gloomy weather, it can make you feel low all day. But I have noticed that when I brighten up my space, it instantly lifts up my mood and makes everything feel better. Adding layers of light like mix of ambient, dusk and accent adds depth and warmth. It's amazing how a few thoughtful lighting choices can turn an ordinary room into a cozy place even in the dreariest days. And you will notice when the lighting is just right, everything can feel exactly the way you want it to be. I hope you found today's tips helpful. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on a budget, and I'll see you next time.